1.
GASPRO 38ID natural gas hose, low pressure LPG hose with quick connect. For NG appliances perfect for professional natural gas appliances such as Weber NG grill, charbroil NG grill, patio heater, and more. For modified LPG appliances fit for modified propane appliances whose BTU output has been transformed into the proper level. A conversion kit will be needed. Dual fuel for use with natural gas and low-pressure propane systems. 11WC 1/2 PSI.
2.
Gas 121063 FT Regulator Fire Pit Grill Heater Propane Hose. A top-quality propane regulator and hose. Maxing out at 80 BTU, this 3FT low-pressure propane regulator is fiber-reinforced to ensure quality performance. The hose is the perfect fit for a wide variety of grills, fire pit tables, and other propane appliances. Long-lasting and durable. Gas 2106 low-pressure propane regulator provides an air-tight connection for your propane appliances. Made with high-quality rubber and brass connections, the 2106 ensures a stable connection and a leak-free experience.
3.
GASPRO 6. Foot propane hose extension for propane devices with 38 male flare. Versatile converter, just attach 3/8 male flare fittings at both ends to convert them into any fitting form you require, allowing you to connect multiple devices such as a gas grill, propane burner, and so on. Extension hose. The 6-foot length is enough to maintain a safe distance between your propane appliance and the fuel tank. Also, you can use your grill more flexibly.
4.
GASPRO 12ID natural gas hose, low pressure LPG hose with quick connect. For NG appliances perfect for professional natural gas appliances such as Weber NG grill, charbroil NG grill, patio heater, and more. For modified LPG appliances fit for modified propane appliances whose BTU output has been transformed into the proper level. A conversion kit will be needed. Dual fuel for use with natural gas and low-pressure propane systems. 11WC 1/2 PSI.
5.
12 feet 12-inch natural gas hose with quick connect fitting for BBQ. Good quality material upgrade. The propane hose is made of high-quality rubber and connected with 100 solid brass connector, has very good weather resistance. It is anti-cracking, anti-rust, and very durable. Comply with CSA certification.
6.
Roastove 38-inch natural gas quick connect fittings LP gas propane hose quick disconnect kit. Compatibility. 3/8-inch natural gas quick connect fitting can be applied in low pressure natural gas or propane systems. Also can be used for motorhomes, trailers. Connector TYP F3/8 female pipe thread X3/8 male quick connect disconnect. Safe. The center hex nut of quick connect adapter provides solid grip, safe connection, and leak prevention.
7.
New updated with pressure gauge 36 propane refill adapter hose 350 psi high pressure camping grill QCC type-on inlet 1 lb propane gas tank adapter connector with on-off control valve. New updated model with the pressure gauge you can refill according to your needs. Rotatable luminous dial no matter day or night. It can clearly detect the amount of gas in the propane tank. No need to shake the propane tank.
8.
Meter Star 350 psi high-pressure universal dual propane tank connection kit. New concept of design from Meter Star to provide our customer saving energy of propane during using the propane grill, heater, fire pit, stove, etc. You can easily connect two propane cylinder at the same time for your appliance. This idea can help you save propane and avoid lack of propane during cooking. Inlet POL soft nose connection, outlet QCC male and female adapter.
9,
FANHAO heavy. Duty brass adjustable twist hose nozzle with garden hose, shut off, valve 34 GHT connector. Heavy duty solid brass construction FANHAO high pressure hose nozzle made of 100 solid brass materials, not brass plate or coating. It is rust proof, sturdy and lasting, much more durable than other one.
10,
GardenNow 12 FT30 8ID natural gas hose, low pressure LPG hose with quick connect. GardenNow upgraded 12 FTID natural gas hose. This ID natural gas hose upgrade to come with powerful 5 different couplings adapter fitting 3/ANPT male x 3/ANPT male 1/2 female and PT x 3/8 flare male 3/8 and PT male x 3/8 flare male 3/8 flare male x 3/8 flare male 1/4 and PT male x 3/8 flare male 1/8 and PT male x 3/8 flare male. These conversion connection extend the outdoor for use with natural gas and low pressure propane systems. 11 WC 1/2 PSI.